Hi guys, welcome to JS1 XP. Today I want to tell you how to create a VMs using VirtualBox. As I said in my video before, if you see in my about section of my YouTube page, you will find out we are going to start some videos related to technology and related to IT and stuff because my YouTube channel, I don't want it to stay in only for gaming. Let it be for knowledge purpose as well. So actually, I'm learning my Intune course. I'm an MDM admin. So I want to recall. I'm now working as a network admin. So to recall my previous knowledge, I'm started at the Intune training, which is MD 102. So as I'm going through the Udemy courses, there is a lab section is about ADDS creation. So I thought for that, I need to create a Windows Server 2022. So I thought, why not to show you how to use VirtualBox. So I think everyone heard of VMs, or the concept called hypervisor. And so I thought, like, let's make a video and inform you all guys how to create a VMs. It's a cool concept actually. So uh, to a bare understanding level, so who don't know VM or VirtualBox, what is this? So we have our systems which we use, but now in our modern days, we can also create another virtual machine, or let's say another mission in your mission. It sounds a little bit weird, or you might not understand, but it's there. I mean, like, see, just like, let's say in your phones, you can create another profile. Let's say like that. In your PC, we can make another PC, or like, let's say, if you want to use experience the Ubuntu machine, or let's say some type of Linux, but you're using Windows, but you can replicate your Windows. In your Windows, you can create a VM which runs on the Linux OS. So this is the exactly concept of virtual machines. So this term hypervisor, which is there before 1970s, and in 1970s, the concept of VM virtual machine came, and VMware is the starting of it. VMware, as you know, it's one of the companies which having lots of applications, and which I mostly like is AirWatch, which is now purchased by VMware, and they are calling it as, I think it's VMware Workspace One. Then renamed it from AirWatch to Workspace One. So it's one of the best applications. But yeah, they are the starting creators of virtual machines. So their product is VM vSphere, and every other companies has their own product. For example, our Microsoft has a Hyper vSphere, which is their type of virtual uh, machine application. And now we going to see VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. This Oracle VirtualBox, I've been using it for a long time during my career, or say studies. It's been a useful application ever since then. And I think, guys, you also used VirtualBox before. You might not recall it now, but some of your labs might be in VirtualBox. Those who ever went on to your further studies, or let's say your trainings in your job, you went to this Oracle VirtualBox. As you can see in my screen, you can see the VirtualBox. It's already installed. I will tell you how to install it. The most irritating thing is VirtualBox logo has been changed, and when I tried to install VirtualBox, I was like, "Oh, am I installing the right application?" Okay, let us see how we can install Oracle. So in order to use that application, let's go to VirtualBox. This is layman. How we will do VirtualBox download. This is what we do in nowadays in internet. So you can see several links. If you are typing, I have some things open on my Google Chrome. That's why I'm not opening that. So if you open what's downloaded like this, type it like this in Google Chrome, it will show you some random website. And I think the first one is from Sonic Fic. I think it will be there here as well. Let me try to find out. Okay. I think Edge is nice. So we can get some several other applications like websites like TechSoft. I have Sophonic found highlighted in the Google Chrome. Don't download it from there, guys. Let's say which I've been pressing on while you're installing an application. Let's ensure there is your downloading from authenticated site. If there isn't, then go for the third party sites which you believe. So Softnik, I think it's also a legit application, but when I try to install it from Softnik, what it happens is it is asking to download its application first, Softnik, and then it'll make me to install the Oracle VirtualBox. But it's not required because Oracle itself made it pretty clear how to. It's a easy download as well. See, I clicked on Oracle first one, or else I think you can download it from here, I think, or from wiki downloads, or else go for legitimate side. You can see oracle.virtualbox.com. Go there, yours whatsoever machine it is. It's work in Mac OS as well. Whatever you want, just download in your device. So since it's already been installed, you can see in your downloads folder once it's get installed. Yeah, it gets installed, and you go to your downloads. See, once you install that application, it looks like this. As you can see, it's been already installed, and there is also an uh, so I replicated a Windows 2022 server VM in for my MDM purpose. Now actually there is a requirement for me to download Windows 11, or else this is also a good thing. Like if you are in Windows 8, no one is in Windows 8 right now, I think. But if you are in Windows 11, or like if you want to try Windows 12, something like that in your machines, you can try it. I mean, like there is uh, no stopping for you for learning something. So yeah. So right now I needed Windows 11 virtual machine, and so in order to use that Windows 11, you need to have that ISO file of that application. For example, if I go to my downloads, you can see two are there. Actually, I downloaded the iOS files already. I think this is my Windows 2012 2022 version, which I already installed, and this is the new one, which is the Windows 11 OS file. ISO file is definitely needed. How to download that ISO? That is also very simple. So layman download Windows 11. I will tell you guys completely how to download Windows ISO because it will give you some list to fill. Okay. Or else you can use this website of the okay. Let's download from here. I'm like Windows 11 2022. Let's go with Place United. Link validates from Link Express. Okay, it's installing. Okay. So once it get installed, you can see Windows 11 22H2 is get created. Let me go back to the PC and see in the downloads if it got installed. Yes, it got installed. Let me go back to the Windows 11 Enterprise, and then I noticed one thing that it is in 32-bit. So this is Windows 11. Windows 11 is, and we downloaded is a 64-bit. So right click on the settings. We need to fix this issue first. Version, select on 64. If we uploaded the ISO at the starting itself, it automatically take the version. But since we are not going to follow that process, we need to manually change it. And also ensure this has an 4 GB RAM, and ensure 8 GB is required for the ROM, random access memory, or you say the storage. Click on OK. You can see, yeah, my storage is 80 GB. Okay, you can remove or edit the disk space here. Right click on the settings. Let's upload the ISO. Go to settings. There will be some empty one. You can delete. I think I went a little bit fast. Uh, right click on the your Windows 11 Enterprise. Go back to the settings and then click on the storage. Once you click on the storage, we have an option. If there is any empty folders, I suggest you to delete. If not, it's not. And click on the add symbol, then add the storage. I can see it's here, but it's nice idea to browse and then add it again. Click on open, click on choose. Okay. Once it's done, let's on the virtual machine. Initial startup will take time. Unless your PC is super fast. I don't know why I kept Enterprise. We installed the Windows 11 normal version. We can have the Pro model or any model as we want. So I would like to install product key. It is asking since we don't have any product key. Let's click on I don't have product key. So it will give us a free trial version of 180 days, something like that. Now the Windows 2022 server which I'm using is also having some license of just 20 days. So Windows 11 Pro, let's use this. Click on next. Doesn't meet the requirement to install the Windows 11. Let us see what is the issue. Okay, I think since I'm recording in OBS, some of the CPU, GPUs are using there. Let me turn off the video, and I think you guys can go ahead and click on the. Let me turn off the first at my end, and let me resume back. So guys, yeah, it got completed. So I will tell you guys one thing. If you are trying to stream in future and if you want to showcase any processor like this, I understand you need to stop your OBS. So the thing happened is my PC is getting stuck because already in OBS I given some CPU GPUs which is using high, and this ISO file is not getting installed. So fortunately for the people who are watching, I don't think so you will face this issue unless you are doing multiple activities or like multiple stream. You are streaming plus doing this activity. So if you are doing like that, just remove all the applications which are using high CPU and GPU and continue the process. And so yeah, Windows 11 is ready with us, and we can see it here. And actually, the thing is like I have several games installed in this PC, and I noticed I crossed approximately. I have 100 GB left, I think. Let me go back to my storage. Let's see. So once it's called all installed. So that's why I mean like if you have a processor of storage, not processor or storage of 1 TB, it's nice to have two VMs. But if you are having 512 GB or 1 TB, just 1 TB is also fine. I think 1 TB is absolutely fine. So if you have using 512 or 256, just stick on to one VM Don't go for 2 3 VMs. It's not recommended. Using Don't use heavy utilization because this is for demo or study purpose, but your main system is the primary one. Okay. After giving all the four CPUs and GPUs, I can see there is no lag, which is good for us. So actually, the issues I'm going to talk is on internet access and everything. Audio issue. For some reasons, I don't think so. We'll face audio issues right now, or because I can see the settings are here. Open a web page. Let us see is the audio and everything is good. Do you have any see? Okay, let's promote Simon. Yeah, let's go. Okay, I can hear the audio. Okay. This is an unseen situation because I'm able to use internet as well as audio. I thought like this is a okay. There is a third thing which I wanted to show you, but yeah. So I thought this will become an issue because like when you run some ISO files, primarily you might face the internet access and audio issues. So if you are facing right now, I'm not facing that issue, but if you are facing this issue, you need to stop the whatever OS you are running and go back to here network. The network should be in NAT. Uh, it should not be any other network or bridge gateway internet adapter. Should be NAT. It will work. NAT with the default settings will work if you are in bridge in some situations because like in olden times I think it's been almost in more than a year I used a virtual box last time I used it is 1 year back and this is again for my course I am installed virtual box. So at that time in that I'm facing issues so I need to switch back to bridge. So you can switch back but generic drive cloud network these are all not the solutions. Host net only adapter these are not the solutions. So if you are using internet and if you want your VM having net access, go for NAT. Rare situations go for bridge adapter if NAT is not working. And in audio settings, okay, default Intel HD audio is working. Okay. See, for some, let's say Windows Enterprise model, while installing Windows 2022 server model, I faced audio issue. There is no audio. Means let's say it will be in the it will be turned off actually. It will be displays like this. So the you can't turn it back also. So the setting you need to do is I think right now okay this is a turned off VM now. Let me show you. Okay, go to the audio settings and then you need to click enable audio. You need to take ICHA47 or you can select a Windows Direct Section Audio Intel HD. These are the two things which audio fix the issue. Again, it's a switchbacks. If you are in the Windows Direct and Intel HD audio, you are facing issue. Go back to ICHAC 97. If this is working, okay, and also ensure to enable output and input. I enabled output and input in Windows 22, but still I don't have microphone access. Let me see if I have microphone access here. Sideman 1 versus 200. Sideman 1 versus 200. Hello. Yeah. For some reasons, the microphone is still not working, which we enabled it. But yeah, we will not use this microphone much. So yeah, that okay. The third thing. So you are in this screen. Are you okay using your VM like this? Majority people likes to use it like it should reflect the same PC like that. So in order to do that, you need to go to view or let me go to you go to device, insert guest edition CD images. So If you go to your disk PC, there will be no this thing at first. Yeah, see, it got created just now. It got just created. So let me double click on it. Since this is a 64-bit version, let us run this one. Yes. Your PC gets restarted, not real PC. Your virtual machine gets restarted. Let it restart and then we can continue. Do I need to manually restart? No. Okay. We need to set up the process actually. Oh, why the dock is. Let me try to do the basic settings. I don't know why my dock is like this. System, display. Yep. Okay. Where are we? Yeah. Setup, browse, start. Yeah. Once it got installed, your PC will restart. Why am I going to face the issue again? I'm not sure, but let us see. If once while it's restarting, if my OBS got crashed, I might cut this video. Reboot. I don't think so. It will crash, but yeah, let us see. I don't think I set second password. So this is some weird thing which I noticed while I'm installing any server models. For example, Windows 22 server or like I installed Windows 2019 server once. Okay, there is no password. So at that time, what happened? It is used to ask me give the password. But yeah, it's Windows maybe. Yeah, it's like a real PC. I mean, like until unless you set up something, I think it's not going to ask. Okay, still it didn't take up the full screen, but it will take time. Leave it like that for some time. Coming, coming. Go to view full screen. Switch. I took off the screen. Yep, is done. Okay, I faced this thing in my Windows 22 setup also. Actually, if you leave it like that, it's not going to impact. But for somehow you need to go to view and make it full screen model. So now it's in full screen mode. You can use it like just your uh, PC. I think I need to delete this ISO because like how much space I got after all this bullshit. Okay, 117 GB is very less. I might use this for a couple of days. Yeah, let me. So, okay. If you are using VirtualBox for the first time, saving means not stopping the device. You just save the state. For example, if you opened Google and did something, save it. You can resume from there. Powering off it means powering off like systems. And in real life environment and our peace labs, in our studios labs, teacher uses to say don't turn off the virtual machine because like if you turn off the main virtual machine, the main machine gets shut down, which interrupts everything. But this is not the case. So guys, so I showed you how to install VirtualBox. Not only that, how to install any OS version. Now I showed you Windows 11, but if you want, you can install anything. And be make sure of your having good enough storage, your system speed. Based on that, you can go ahead and browse for the specific requirement of your ISO files or like say your VMs and give as much. I think 80 GB is a overkill, but yeah. Um, And also ensure if you are streaming while representing some OBS, or you are streaming and then doing this process, at some point you need to understand, you need to turn off your OBS. Uh, okay, guys, that's it. Salute.